half. I want it more thinly, but because my knife is not really that particularly good, so that could do for now. But if you have a thinner one, that's a lot better. And you just have to put everything. I have chicken pieces as well, so there you go. So I'm just slicing all the chicken. So I'm just mixing the pork belly and chicken together. There you go. Put the chicken wings, and this is chicken wings that I had to cut it in half. That part goes there, and the other part that's more meaty, I just have to separate the meat from the bone. Like so. And mixture of chicken and pork belly inside. We just have to marinate it with some sesame oil, some soybean paste. This is a Korean brand, which I added it with a bit of water to make it more creamier. I've got a half a piece of lemon juice, and a garlic powder. Now we just have to transfer it to this thing to marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. There you go. Goodness. There you go. I did it. So this is the pork belly.
Oh, the editor is cooking barbecue. Oh, filming as well. She's very busy. I'm just waiting to eat. Setting up camp here. So, this is a country park. Picnic there. The little one having juice. Waiting to eat.
So I've got this olive oil spray that I'm going to use for my meat.
Yes. I don't know. Careful with your eyes with that.
Oh. Just fast for it, okay? Right then, this is how I make my Korean style. So put a bit of rice, maybe I'll put a little bit more, and I just have to spread it like that. And I've got to choose. I'm just gonna put a bit of meat. Yep, a bit of meat, and I'm just gonna slice some of this. I'm just removing some fats. There you go. There you go. There you go. And next one is, we are going for the dippings. There you go. Just mix it up a little bit and just spread it on, and Bob's your uncle. We're ready to eat. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. There's a lot of flies here.